Facebook suspended your account unexpectedly. I'll show you exactly how to appeal and get back online as quickly as possible. Before we start, do you know what might have triggered the suspension? Share your experience in the comments below. Check your email associated with Facebook. They should have sent a notice explaining the suspension and appeal process. If you received an email, follow the appeal link exactly as instructed. This is your fastest path to restoration. No email? Go to facebook.com/help and find the appeal suspension form. Be honest and polite in your explanation. Don't create new accounts while suspended. This can make the situation worse and extend your suspension time. For future prevention, review Facebook's community standards to understand what content might get flagged unexpectedly. If this helped you navigate the suspension process, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.